In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam content servers unreachable. If you're seeing this error while trying to download or update a game, don't worry. In many cases, the problem is caused by Steam connecting to a busy or unstable download server, and the fix is actually pretty simple. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change so you can get your downloads working again. First, open Steam and go to Settings. From there, select Downloads. This is where Steam manages your download behavior, including the server region your client is using. If Steam is having trouble reaching the current content server, changing this region can often solve the issue right away. Once you're in the download section, look for the download region setting. Here, choose a different nearby region instead of the one currently selected. It's usually best to pick a location that's close to you geographically, since nearby servers often give better speed and reliability. The reason this works is that your current region may be overloaded, temporarily down, or just not responding properly, while another nearby server may be working normally. After selecting a different region, click OK to save the change, and then restart Steam. Restarting is important because it forces the app to reconnect using the new server region you selected. Once Steam opens again, try your download one more time and see if the error is gone. This is the most common fix for the content server's unreachable message. So if you only try one thing, make it this. A simple region change solves the problem for a lot of users, especially during peak hours or when a local Steam server is experiencing issues. If the problem continues, go back to Steam, then Settings, and again, open Downloads. This time, click Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary download data that may be corrupted or stuck, which can interfere with Steam's ability to connect properly. After you clear the cache, Steam will ask you to sign in again, so just log back into your account and retry the download. When you test again, give Steam a moment to reconnect and rebuild its download session. In many cases, clearing the cache combined with switching the download region is enough to fully resolve the issue. That's it. By changing your download region, restarting Steam, and clearing the download cache if needed, you can usually fix the Steam content server's unreachable error quickly and get back to downloading your games.